welcome back to another jack mission. Trying the splashy this morning. It's just gone 6 o'clock. We just got a third one there for the morning. Play back on that for you, and we'll keep on heading down here while the shade's about. Rightio then. See you when we got another. So gratify. This little fella, but it just melts the crap out of that. Oh, big jack up there. Oh, no, you've got to go up there. They don't want to rush this joint. Jacko. Little fella. Little micro. It's a bunch. Couple little Dresky, some rims or two of that. It's coming fucking humiliated it off. Excuse the French. But yeah, that's right, one. It was silver when he first came out, as you would have seen. Let's hoping we get that on. That's all I've got my long pants on. He's got me again, but it's in the pants. Nice one up in the mid 40s, 45, 46. little tree there. Alright, we've got incoming boat traffic. Let's get rid of him. Alrighty. Got a little dog. These little channels, sometimes there's some big ones in there. A little micro. Behave. It's a bunch. The attitude will fall. Number 5. So it's the numbers stay here. A few bigger ones in amongst them, hopefully. It's locked on by that. Alright, we'll get him off, eh? Dog. As well. Number 6. What we're doing, the tide's coming in now. Working this last bit of the shade line. Any of the small little snags like that, it's not very deep in there. Sometimes you can get some bigger ones off it. This little red one was another one followed it out there before. Alright, so the wind's picked up right on the surface by there. We go show the strange dead man minnows. Calico candy colour there and a bit of S factor on him. Hit this fringy. Oh, horrible wind. Jackson, there we go, straight up, nice. I reckon, all right, sit in there, very shallow. I think that's number 7. Oi, 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 oi. spongy. See it, mate. Yeah, the shallows there, it's very shallow here. This is lovely. Little dog trying to stitch me up in there. Number 8. Little red fella. Little calico candy again. Only drifting 50 mile an hour. Love it. Oh, just give us 40 minutes over in. There's a couple in there. Another little husky. Another 9. I'll shred one. Dark fella. See you lunch. Oh. Brutal on the jollop. Twitch 80. That's what it's a little coffee rock shelf there. Got the dog. 10, nice one. So we wanted to do number 10, wasn't it? Let's go over here and deal with him. Number 10 for the session on a jollop Twitch 80. Well, that's a wrap on the sesh. Wind's up, going heavy, it's howling. And got a 10 anyway with the double figures we were chasing. It's just gone. Probably can't see that. 9:57. Oh, at least the wind's behind us on the way home. Alrighty then. Trying to dodge trees. We'll catch you on the next one.